What if I told you that while you were sleeping last night, a robot was making trading decisions for you and it turned a small loss into over $200 in profit in just a few hours? I am about to show you something that will completely change how you think about automated trading. In the next 24 minutes, I am going to walk you through a real trading session, not a backtest, not a demo account, but live trades that happened just hours ago. You are going to see how the robot identified a strong downtrend on EURCAD, how it managed 5 simultaneous sell positions, how it used trailing stop to protect profits as the market moved, and how it transformed early losses into consistent gains using break-even protection. But here is what makes this different from every other trading robot video you have watched. I am not going to show you cherry-picked winning trades. I am going to show you the complete journey, including when trades started in the red, because that is real trading and this robot knows exactly how to handle it. So if you are tired of trading robots that promise the moon but deliver nothing, if you are frustrated with expert advisors that blow your account during one bad news event, if you want to see what intelligent automated trading actually looks like, then you need to watch every second of this video. By the end, you will understand why traders are calling RICHFREEDOM MAX PRO the smartest trading robot they have ever used. Let's dive in. Welcome to Richminded Skills. I am your host, and today I am excited to show you RICHFREEDOM MAX Pro Sniper Edition in action. Before we jump into the live trading session, let me quickly explain what makes this robot different. Most expert advisors on the market are what I call blind traders. They follow simple indicator crossovers and open trades without any real market analysis. They do not care if the market is ranging, if the spread is too high, or if conditions are favorable. RICHFREEDOM MAX Pro is different. It is an intelligent trading assistant. Think of it like having a professional trader analyzing the charts for you 24/7. Here is what it does. Market scanning. Every 5 seconds, it analyzes current market conditions. Is there a strong trend? Is the market ranging and choppy? Is the spread acceptable? It considers multiple factors before making any decision. Quality scoring. Every potential trade gets a score from 0 to 10. Below 6, the robot waits. Above 7, it takes the trade with confidence. This scoring system is what separates profitable sessions from account-blowing disasters. Smart recommendations. The robot does not just trade blindly, it displays clear messages on your chart. Ready to buy, do not trade ranging market, wait for stronger signal. You always know what it is thinking. Professional dashboard. Everything you need is displayed in a clean, color-coded dashboard right on your chart. Market condition, trend strength, quality score, active trades, account balance, all updated in real time. But enough theory. Let me show you how this played out in a real trading session on EURCAD. What you are about to see happened over approximately 6 hours of trading, and it is a perfect example of how professional risk management works. Alright, let's look at our first screenshot. This is EURCAD on the daily time frame, and the timestamp shows January 4th, 2026, around 10:14 p.m. First, look at that beautiful dashboard in the top left. See how clean and professional it looks. This is what you will see on your charts. Let me break down what each section is telling us. Market status. The robot has identified this as a strong downtrend, not a weak trend, not a ranging market, a strong downtrend. The trend strength is showing 87 out of 100. That is powerful momentum downward. The quality score 7.0 out of 10. That is rated as good, 4 stars out of 5. This tells us the robot has analyzed multiple factors and determined this is a high probability trading opportunity. Signal section. Look at this. Wait. Now you might be asking, if the trend is strong and quality is good, why is it saying wait? This is where the intelligence comes in. The robot is not just looking at the current candle, it is considering position management. See down in the account info section, active trades 5 out of 5. The robot already has 5 positions open, which is the maximum we set in the inputs. It is not going to overtrade and risk too much at once. This is discipline. This is professional risk management. Balance $2,869.27. Notice the balance has not changed much yet. These trades are still developing. Active trades 5 out of 5 maximum. That is 0 buys and 5 sells, which makes perfect sense in a strong downtrend. The robot is aligned with the market direction. Today's trades 5 out of 20. We are not over trading. The robot has taken 5 quality setups and is now managing them. Now let's look at the actual chart. See those red dashed lines? Those are the stop losses for each of the 5 sell positions. And notice something important. Look at the chart structure. We have had a clear move down and now price is pulling back slightly. If we look at the trades table at the bottom, we can see all 5 sell positions on EURCAD. Trade 1 opened at 1.60984, stop loss at 1.61830, take profit at 1.57534, current price 1.61001, down $1.24. Trade 2 opened at 1.60986, stop loss at 1.61689, take profit at 1.57723, current price 1.61001, down $1.09. Trade 3 opened at 1.60990, stop loss at 1.62083, take profit at 1.57534, current price 1.61001, down 80 cents. Trade 4 opened at 1.60982, stop loss at 1.62083, take profit at 1.56982, current price 1.61001, down $1.38. Trade 5 opened at 1.60985, stop loss at 1.62083, take profit at 1.56985, current price 1.61001, down $1.16. Total floating loss negative $5.67. Now I know what you are thinking. All 5 trades are in the red. Is this robot any good? This is where most traders panic and close everything manually. But watch what happens when you trust the system. This is a temporary pullback in a strong downtrend. Look at the bigger picture on the chart. The overall structure is clearly bearish. The robot has done 3 critical things correctly. 1. It entered during a strong downtrend identified by its market analysis. 2. It placed proper stop losses. Every trade has protection. If this analysis is wrong and price shoots up, the maximum loss is controlled and known in advance. 3. It set realistic take profit targets. Look at those take profit levels. They are not greedy. They are based on logical price targets in the downtrend. The robot is not emotional. It does not panic when trades go temporarily into drawdown. It trusts the analysis that brought it into these positions. And as you're about to see in the next screenshot, that trust pays off. Let's jump forward to our second screenshot. This is now January 4th at 11:13 p.m., almost an hour later. Look what happened. First thing I want you to notice, the dashboard. Look at that quality score. It is now 8.0 out of 10. That is excellent, 5 stars. The trend strength has increased to 51 out of 100. The signal is still showing weight because we are still at maximum positions, but here is the magic. Look at the account info section. Balance is now $2,508.07. Wait, that went down? Do not worry, that is because we have added more trades on gold. But look at this number. Today's trades, 5 out of 20. More importantly, look at the trades table. Trade 1 now showing plus $4 profit. Trade 2 now showing plus $4.15 profit. Trade 3 now showing plus $4.44 profit. Trade 4 now showing plus $3.86 profit. Trade 5 now showing plus $4.08 profit. All 5 EURCAD trades are now green, from negative $5.67 total to approximately plus $20.53 in profit across these 5 trades. That is a $26.20 swing in less than an hour. But wait, look at the bottom of the trades table. There are new trades on gold. Gold trade 1 plus $25.39. Gold trade 2 plus $37.43. Gold trade 3 plus $27.89. That is an additional plus $90.71 from gold trades. Total profit shown at bottom plus $111.24. So what happened here? Let me break this down because this is critical for understanding how professional trading works. 1. The robot did not panic during the drawdown. It held those positions because its analysis indicated a strong downtrend. The temporary pullback was just noise. The bigger trend was still intact. And sure enough, price continued moving down. 2. Notice something important about those stop losses. They are still in place. The robot has not removed them. It is not hoping and praying, it is managing risk. If the market had reversed, the losses would have been contained to the predefined amount. 3. The quality score improved from 7.0 to 8.0. Why? Because as the downtrend continued and price moved in the predicted direction, the market conditions became even better. Higher momentum, clearer structure, better confirmation. The robot recognizes this. 4. While managing the EURCAD trades, the robot was also monitoring gold. It identified a separate strong downtrend opportunity there and took 3 sell positions. This is multi-asset trading at its finest. The robot does not just focus on one pair. It is scanning and trading multiple opportunities simultaneously. Now, some people might say, but you still had to wait an hour for the trades to become profitable. Yes, exactly. That is what trading is. The robot identified high probability setups, entered with proper risk management, and let the market prove it right. This is not get rich quick. This is sustainable professional trading, and we are not done yet. Let me show you how the robot protects these profits. Now we come to our third screenshot. This is January 2nd at various times during the day, and we are looking at gold on the H1 time frame. This is where things get really interesting. Look at the chart first. See that big red arrow pointing to a recent candlestick? That is a key moment in this trading session. But let's start with the dashboard. Market status, condition, strong downtrend, still in play. Trend strength 70 out of 100, very strong. Quality score 7.0 out of 10, good. Signal, wait, again, because we are at maximum positions. Account info, balance $2,598.07. Active trades 3 out of 5, 0 buys, 3 sells. Today's trades 9 out of 20. Now look at those gold trades in the table. This is where the beauty of professional risk management shines. Trade 1, ticket ending in 300. Entry 1.60984. Stop loss move from 1.61830 to 1.60899. Take profit 1.57534. Current profit plus $6.18. Trade 2, ticket ending in 808. Entry 1.60986. Stop loss move from 1.61689 to 1.60899. Take profit 1.57723. Current profit plus $6.33. Trade 3, ticket ending in 814. Entry 1.60990. Stop loss moved from 1.62083 to 1.60899. Take profit 1.57534. Current profit plus $6.62. Additional gold trades. Gold trade 4 plus $57.71. Gold trade 5 plus $69.75. Gold trade 6 plus $60.21. Total floating profit plus $219.10. Now, here is what I need you to understand. Do you see how all of those stop losses have been moved? They are no longer at the original positions. Let me explain what happened here. Break-even protection. When the robot settings included break-even pips equals 15, it means that once a trade moves 15 pips into profit, the robot automatically moves the stop loss to the entry price, actually slightly above, to lock in a small
I used to dream with my eyes wide open.